Welcome back to the Watch List. I'm Lindsay Melchek. Spirit Digital AG, a wholly owned subsidiary of Spirit Blockchain Capital, is a company helping advance digital asset finance through thoughtful innovation. They recently announced the upcoming launch of its first suite of exchange-traded products, ETPs. And back with us today is Louis Bateman, CEO of Spirit Blockchain, to educate us further about this great news. So welcome back, firstly, Louis. It's great to see you.
Oh, thank you very much for having the time for me. I really do appreciate it.
Absolutely. Now, this is really some very exciting news. You're now offering investors exposure to Ethereum and Solana. So, what are the advantages for investors over investing directly in these cryptocurrencies?
Right. Well, we're taking our proprietary knowledge from a staking and yielding perspective in our treasury management, and we're extending that to having direct exposure to those underlying crypto assets. Solana and Ethereum have been around obviously for a while now. And especially in these market conditions, we still want to give the growth of the exposure of cryptocurrencies and digital assets. But we also think it's important to bring about a form of yield in these inflationary times. So these two products are just our first inroads. We really are confident in these two products. We know that they're a differentiated solution set that is needed in the marketplace. We're also just to be understanding, these are listed on the Swiss exchange and German exchange. So these are globally distributed outwardly. And it allows for us to really show that Spirit is now taking in revenues as a business. So we've passed that kind of maturation or growth of the startup mode. We entered in with our treasury management and proxying of our assets, and now we're extending that out to our products suite, which ultimately will develop into our tokenizational platform. So we're really excited for this first step.
I bet. Now, in terms of the company's overall strategy, where does this fit? Where are you going?
Well, like I said, this is part of our overall strategy. We see this as the first foray for us to extend it out to our clients. Our clients are excited for the business practice that we are doing, right? Which is ultimately our tokenizational platform. Right? So we did our proxying of our own digital assets for our corporate side of the business. Now we've extended it to the actual fund offerings, and ultimately we're digitizing these funds on a tokenized platform. So it's a real succession of events.
Yeah, it's a definite positive domino effect for sure. These are some really great high level insights, and we look forward to actually hearing further details soon. So, thank you again for joining us.
Thanks a lot.
Again, that was Louis Bateman, CEO of Spirit Blockchain Capital. For a slew more of information on this release and more, jump over to their website at spiritblockchain.com. And as always, bookmark stockhouse.com for all of your market news. I'm Lindsay Melchek. We will see you next time.